It's a great day today. Obviously, the market's up, Dow 50K, Bitcoin's up, but the last couple of weeks and months have been tough for crypto investors and for strategy shareholders. You're speaking to them right now. What is your message to your investors?
My message is to hold on. Right, we've been through Bitcoin downturns in the past. In 2022, Bitcoin got up to 68K, went down to 16. That was a 75% drawdown. Now Bitcoin went up to 125K, got down to 60. That's a 50% drawdown. 7 years from now, when Bitcoin's at $1 million and goes to 750K, it'll be a 25% drawdown. Everyone will think it's the end of Bitcoin. And I'll say, hold on then too.
What if it doesn't go to $1 million, Phong? What if it goes to 10,000 instead?
Well, first of all, I don't think Bitcoin will go down to $10,000. I think it's extremely unlikely. What's happening with Bitcoin right now is the government's fully behind it. We have a Bitcoin president. We have a Bitcoin head of the SEC, head of the Treasury. We have Bitcoin head of the CFTC. So the regulatory issues that I think 5 years ago people worried about Bitcoin are gone. I think Bitcoin is a technological transformation as digital capital. I don't think it's going to go down $10,000.
Right, but you're running a business where you kind of have to have a strategy for that. No pun intended. As I understand, I was looking through it a little bit last night. The $17 billion loss in the quarter, of course, was before crypto fell. Bitcoin fell to almost below 60. Can you comment on what the loss is for the current quarter?
Yeah, it's a gap loss, right? And you know, if you look on our website, we have information on the loss, but those are really just gap mark-to-market losses. It's really not a true cash loss for the company. If Bitcoin goes down to $8,000 for 5 years, maybe then we start to have issues around whether we need to sell Bitcoin. But the gap loss isn't really something we're concerned about.
And is that because you have $2 billion or so in cash on the balance sheet? Did I see that correctly?
Yeah, we have a fortress balance sheet, and I think there's sometimes a misconception that we have high leverage. I'll start with, we have about 10% leverage. I think it's 12% if you look at our website and our metrics today. Average S&P 500 AAA rated investment grade company has 20% leverage. We're half of that. In addition, to your point, we have $2.25 billion of cash in our balance sheet. We put that on our balance sheet so we could have a digital fortress to back up our dividend payments. So exactly your point, not worried about the leverage, not worried about our dividend payments, not concerned about Bitcoin price right now. You have drawdown